Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My hair is looking like a literal grease pit right now because I put so much coconut oil in it last night, but that's besides the point. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to safely and properly color your hair at home during this quarantine. A ton of people have been reaching out to me saying that their colorist or their salon have been sending them at-home coloring kits, and they're kind of just clueless on how to actually apply the color properly. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step procedure on how to do everything. And this is not for people who are blonding or bleaching or highlighting or any of that. This is just for people who are doing root colors and all over colors. This video is sponsored by Zuko Beauty Hair Gummy Vitamins. These vitamins have literally saved my hair so much. Ever since I chopped my hair off not too long ago, I've been taking these and they have been making my hair grow, and it makes my hair feel so soft, and they also taste absolutely amazing. They're cherry flavored and 60 gummies come in one bottle, so I really recommend for you guys to check them out. I will leave the link below. They are $24.99 right now, and this is my new go-to. For everyone who is doing this and got a kit from a professional, or your color from a professional, not necessarily getting like a kit, you will need these few things to make this possible. You will need a hair color brush, 4 clips to section. You want to use an oil around your hairline so it doesn't stain your skin. You can use a coconut oil if you don't have an essential oil, but this is from Aveda that I just have. And then I have my developer, I have my color and a coloring bowl, and then I have obviously my scale so I can measure everything out. So I'm going to get my formula mixed, and then I will get right into the step-by-step process. Okay, let's get into the video. So I just moved into my bathroom so that I don't make the biggest mess. First, you just want to make sure you brush out all the tangles in your hair. That sound is gonna go on for like this whole video. I apologize, it's my toilet. The first thing you want to do is section your hair into 4 quadrants. So you're just gonna go right down the middle and then like ear to ear. I'm just using the back of the coloring brush. Also, I'm gonna be looking over here half the time because my mirror is over there. Once you have the 4 clips in, then you want to take your oil. Like I said, it can be coconut oil, it can be olive oil if you don't even have coconut oil, and you want to put it around your hairline. This is going to save you a ton because when you normally go to get your hair done, they will use like a color stain remover, but most chances are you probably don't have that at home. So this will be like a barrier between your skin and the color on your skin. So once that is done, you're going to start applying the color. You can also put on these types of gloves if you have them, just to protect your hands. If you don't have them, it's not a big deal. You'll be able to wash that off your hands like within a day. Here's my color. It looks green, but it's actually supposed to be a dark brown. Oh my god. Okay, don't do that. So what you want to do is you want to start in either of the back quadrants because they will process quicker, which means sometimes they can get a little bit darker and you don't want it to be too dark around your face. So you're just going to outline the quadrant first and then take this all down and do section by section. Like that. And you want to start doing horizontal sections like this. Alright, I have the first section done. I hope that was easy to see. I know my hair is kind of dark, so it's kind of hard to see, but you just want to make sure you're doing horizontal slices all the way up. They can be about 1 inch, and you can just leave that down And now I'm going to move on to the other back section. So you have both back sections done. Now we're gonna move to the front. And you're gonna section it the same horizontal. And the same on the other side. So once you're all done with your roots, just wait the allotted time that it's given on your instruction manual, and if it doesn't have a time, then typically for someone who has gray hair, you want to wait anywhere from 30 to 35 minutes, and someone who is just coloring their hair, you can wait anywhere from 25 to 30 minutes. If they normally give you a soap cap, then that means they pull the color through your ends at the very last minute. So you can just get in the shower and wet your ends a little bit and then just scrub it in as if this is all shampoo and just get it all on your ends. But if you also do a full head of color, then we are going to get into the second part of the video, which is where I'm going to be coloring all my ends as well. So let's get into that. So to color the ends, you want to put them back into the 4 sections that you originally had, just to keep everything kind of neat and organized. So I'm just going to roughly put them back into the 4 quadrants. Just roughly want to put them back into the 4 quadrants, and you're also going to start in the back and you'll just section them again and then just pull the color all the way through, and obviously add more if you need it. So you'll just take a section like this big, and I just scoop the color into my hands and I just put it all over. And if you have a lot of color in your bowl, I recommend you be very generous with this when you're putting it on so you don't miss anything. Then we'll move on to the front. The front is normally super quick because there's like no hair in the front. And then once you're all done with the quadrants, you can just go back and kind of put it all over just to make sure everything is super saturated. It's literally all on my face. So I'm gonna wait for my hair to process for 30 minutes. I'm gonna clean everything up, take a shower, and then I'll show you the final product. I just got out of the shower and blow dried my hair, and this is my final color look. It's just like a dark brown. I've been loving this color, but I hope your color at home came out as if you were to go get it done in a salon. And if this video was helpful, be sure to give this a big thumbs up and go comment down below what other videos you'd like me to film. I love doing all of these beauty and hair videos, so don't be shy in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe so you can see more videos that are coming soon. All right, see you guys in the next one. Bye.